Hello everybody, welcome back to BabyXRP token latest update. And my friends, in this video I'm talking about the big mistake, the huge mistake of BabyXRP, my friends. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. I hope you all subscribe my channel, my friends. So my friends, let's start this video and let's go ahead. First of all, my friends, the currently latest price of the BabyXRP in the market is 0.0000001379 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the BabyXRP Ripple coin in the market. And on the other hand, my friends, if you look the price changes open in the BabyXRP, so absolutely, my friends, 33%. Oh my god, that's really a huge profit. 33% the price of the BabyXRP increase just in the last 24 hours. In the 24 hours, 33% the price increase. That's really a massive pump up the BabyXRP Ripple coin, my friends. So now, my friends, due to the low price and due to the positive changes, I recommend for everybody that please buy now BabyXRP in the market, and it's also now trending in the market, my friends. I think BabyXRP is a huge profitable coin now at this time in the market, my friends. Huge profitable coin. Let me show you more about BabyXRP. Absolutely, my friends, the people investing more and more in the BabyXRP. 25.40% the trading volume increase just in the last 24 hours, my friends. Every hour the volume is increasing because people know about BabyXRP, that the changes is positive. And my friends, the interesting fact is that the price of the BabyXRP is very low. That's why I also recommend for everybody. And now, my friends, the mistake of a lot of people is that they decide to sell. My friends, never decide to BabyXRP. It's a long-term project. I recommend for everybody that please hold for a long term and buy now more and more BabyXRP Ripple coin. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.